Hello everyone, here we've got POCO C40 and let me show you how to clear browsing data here. So at first you have to open the browser that you're using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History right here. And tap on Clear Browsing Data, where you will find basic and advanced options. Under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more, which are saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. So just mark those that you'd like to delete if you wish to stay with something, with some info, for example, where auto-fill from data is smoothly unmarked and it will not be removed then. However, I want to perform a full cleanup, so I will stay with all options marked and then just pick the time range. Tap on Clear Data, confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.